Welcome all physics tutorial class follower. My name is Waktula. In this video we will be discussing on grade 12 physics entrance exam practice part 8. This program is essential for students who will take grade 12 entrance exam, especially on recent Ethiopian new curriculum. To get all my video, please like, subscribe and share this program. Our title, grade 12 physics entrance exam practice part 8, instruction, choose the correct answer. First, we see the question explaining the given alternatives one by one. Finally, we go to the conclusion. Question number 1. Assume the ground is uniformly leveled if the horizontal component, a projectile velocity, is doubled, but the vertical component is unchanged. What the effect on the time of flight? Choice A. The time to reach the ground will remain the same since the vertical component is unchanged. Choice B. The time to reach the ground will remain the same since the vertical component of the velocity get also doubled. Choice C. The time to reach the ground would be halved since the horizontal component of velocity is doubled. Choice D says that the time to reach the ground would be doubled since the horizontal component of the velocity is doubled. When we come to the interpreting these equations, first we have to know the meaning of the problem. When the horizontal component of the projectile velocity is doubled while vertical component remain unchanged, the time of flight is halved. Let us see why. The time of the flight for a projectile is the total time it spends in air from the launch until it hits the ground. From this one, the horizontal component, the horizontal motion along the x-axis and the vertical motion along the y-axis independent in each other. Doubling the horizontal component of the velocity does not affect the vertical motion. However, the range or horizontal distance traveled is directly proportional to the horizontal velocity. Doubling the horizontal velocity doubles the range. Since the range is halved when the horizontal velocity is halved, the time of flight is also halved. Therefore, the correct answer is C. C says that the time to reach the ground would be halved since the horizontal component of velocity is doubled. Next question. The next question said that tenseless stress is A, choice A, perpendicular component of the applied forces divided by the cross-sectional area of the object. B, ratio of the original length to the change in the length of the object. Choice C, parallel component of the applied force divided by the cross-sectional area of the object. Choice D says that the ratio change in the length of an object to the original length. When we interpreting the meaning of this idea, tensile stress is the parallel component of the applied forces divided by the cross-sectional area of an object. It represents the force per unit area experienced by the materials when the object to tensions or stretched along these lengths. The formula for the tensile stress is represented by sigma. From this one, this is what this symbol is sigma, and the equation sigma is equals to F over A when F is applied forces to the cross-sectional area, A is the cross-sectional area of the materials, parallel the component of the applied forces dividing by the cross-sectional area. So from the given this one, the correct answer is what C. C says that parallel component of the applied force divided by the cross-sectional area of the object. Next question. Question number 3. According to the law of flotation, an object must displace a volume of fluid, choice A, less than its weight, choice B, equals to its own weight, choice C, equal the weight of an displaced fluid, choice D, equal to its apparent weight. When we define the questions for this one, according to the law of flotations, an object submerged in a fluid or liquid gas experience an upward bound forces equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. This principle is essential for understanding why objects float or sink. The volume fluid displaced by the object is equal to the weight of an displaced fluid when the object floats. The buoyant force balances its weights. Remembering that this law explains why the ship's float balance rises and icebergs partially emerged from the water. So the correct answer is C. C says that equal to the weight of an displaced fluid. In general, today we discuss some questions which is uses for grade 12 physics entrance exam. If you have any questions, suggestion, please write your comment. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.